Welcome back to Spy Garage.
For the legendary Italian company known for its high-performance bikes, the idea of a 2026 Ducati Motorhome, the fastest adventure monster, is a bold conceptual leap. This possible invention combines the wide-ranging possibilities of a campervan with Ducati's DNA of speed, accuracy, and aggressive styling to create a singular offering for the ultimate, high-octane mobile adventure. Fundamentally, this Ducati motorhome concept would differ from traditional recreational vehicles. Its exterior would adopt a dynamic, aerodynamic form rather than the conventional boxy profile. It would probably have a forward-leaning stance, sculpted body panels, and sharp lines, all influenced by Ducati's supersport and adventure motorcycles. Advanced composites and lightweight carbon fiber would be widely employed to reduce weight, which is essential for attaining any kind of fastest. Aggressive lighting characteristics, distinctive Ducati red highlights, and possibly even exposed frame parts would clearly identify its ancestry. The entire design would be one of smart engineering and deliberate aggression, a clear visual representation of Ducati's performance history. Despite its extreme appearance, the fastest adventure monster designation necessitates a power plant that is significantly more powerful than what is typically seen in motorhomes. One may imagine a highly tuned, potent engine that is suited for both long-distance high-speed cruising and quick acceleration. It might be derived from a large displacement, high-performance unit. Fast and accurate gear changes would be guaranteed by a sophisticated, performance-focused transmission. The chassis would be designed for dynamic handling in addition to weight carrying. This might entail a cutting-edge dynamic suspension system that can adjust to different road conditions, from easy highways to difficult off-road terrain, offering a smooth ride with outstanding control. It would require massive, high-performance braking systems, similar to those on supercars, in order to properly control its mass and speed. The inside would incorporate Ducati's minimalist and performance-focused design philosophy, even though it would still need to be useful as a motorhome. Instead, one would discover a highly streamlined, high-tech living area rather than huge, overcrowded luxury. Ergonomic seating, small, multi-purpose spaces, and lightweight materials would predominate. With sophisticated communication systems, integrated navigation systems tailored for risky routes, and possibly even telemetry integration for performance data tracking, connectivity would be crucial. Even for the passengers, comfort would be present, but it would be performance-minded and focused, possibly with racing bucket-inspired sitting for a more interesting driving experience. Clever integration of storage options would maximize usefulness without needless bulk. Strong off-road capabilities are suggested by the Adventure Monster attribute. High ground clearance, protective skid plates, long-lasting multi-terrain tires, and an advanced all-wheel drive system would be required for this. The car would be built to handle difficult terrain in addition to paved highways, providing access to far-flung and thrilling locations. The 2026 Ducati Motorhome, the fastest adventure monster, is essentially a conceptual combination of a mobile base camp and a high-performance vehicle. It is a daring and unheard-of take on the RV concept, catering to a select group of thrill-seekers who expect unwavering speed and thrilling capability, even when going on a long journey.